Right now we're here at BC Place in Vancouver. This is the home of the Vancouver Whitecaps of the MLS, and also the home of the 2015 Women's World Cup final. Soccer in this country is growing every day, and that's part of the reason I believe that these types of things are happening here in Canada. And when we have the venues, you have your infrastructure, you have the fan base. These are reasons that FIFA wants to come to places like this to continue to grow the game, and that's what it's all about.
After the 2010 Olympics, we did a major revitalization of the building. So we really went from a 1983 stadium to a 2014 brand new stadium at BC Place. Some of the things we added to the building, we have all new seats, all new suites. We essentially created a new building. Fantastic turf. We have a secondary roof for soccer and other small events. So we really created a building that was unique in Vancouver and really all the province, and for us, all of Canada.
Legacy comes on two different ways. One is to create a tournament that people remember, and secondly, especially if your home team does really well, then that helps that country itself.
We're unique in Vancouver that our stadium is right downtown, and being right beside Falls Creek, right beside the water, right beside all the major hotels, it's a really great asset for Vancouver.
With the size of the Jumbotron screen, which makes you feel like you're right in the mix of the stadium.
We have a four-story, what we call ETFE, our Northern Lights display. So you'll see, depending on what countries are playing, what events are happening in the stadium, we can make this a unique part of the building look and feel.
Having retired and now sitting in the stands as a fan, walking around the corridors, having the facilities there for you right downtown as well, makes everything else, the bars, the restaurants, all that stuff very accessible. And that, again, adds to the experience of game day. And I think BC Place does a wonderful job in creating a game day experience in all ways.
We're really excited about hosting the FIFA Women's World Cup. 7 matches in here total, including the final. Really want to welcome the world to BC Place.